Is it a good time to buy or sell Super Microcomputer stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Super Microcomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, February 8, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any critical updates that could have an impact on your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 4, 2024, our system has ranked Super Microcomputer as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Surpassing our expectations, the stock has gained an impressive 141.69% since we first recommended buying Super Microcomputer 25 days ago. This means that, on average, the stock has delivered a daily return of 5.67% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are uncertain about the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken a strong and wide short-term upward trend. This indicates an even stronger rate of rising. In case of a pullback, there will now be support at the previous trend line of $588.29. This level could present a second opportunity for a successful trade. According to fan theory, the next possible trend top level is $764.60. It is likely to act as a resistance level that may not be broken on the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, it suggests a potential change of 119.65% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 29.64% to 85.13%. The 12-month trend indicates a projected change of 159.16% over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 20.28% to 91.33%. This means that the stock price could range from $839.58 to $1,335.50 after a year. Our latest update on Super Microcomputer brings exciting news. The stock price has increased by 2.11% on Thursday. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, February 8, 2024, the Super Microcomputer stock price rose from $683.60 to $698, marking a gain of 2.11%. This positive trend has continued for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to observe if this upward trajectory will persist or if there will be a temporary pause in the coming days. Throughout the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 7.19%, reaching a low of $666.58 and a high of $714.49. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by an impressive 46.77%, showing strength. However, it's worth noting that volume decreased by -3 million shares on the last day, with a total of 9 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $6.52 billion. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume while prices are rising can indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the next couple of days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached for this stock was $714.49, while the lowest price was $85.61. Currently, the price stands at $16.49, or 2.31%, below the 52-week high of $714.49, which also happens to be the all-time high for this stock. Today, I want to talk about some recent analyst ratings for SMCI. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Susquehanna gave SMCI a negative grade with a hold action. And on the same day, January 30, 2024, Wedbush gave SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. Let's go back to Monday, January 22, 2024, when Wedbush gave SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. Now, let's jump to Wednesday, August 23, 2023. On that day, Wedbush upgraded SMCI's rating from neutral to upgrade. Lastly, on Thursday, August 10, 2023, Susquehanna gave SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Super Micro Computer stock a general rating of buy. They recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price-to-book ratio. Additionally, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy in terms of return on investment. Today, we're going to discuss the signals that have been identified for Super Micro Computer. When analyzing the stock, we can see that it holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This is a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $631.33 and $409.54. However, a breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. It's worth noting that a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, January 3, 2024. Since then, the stock has risen by an impressive 148.72%. This indicates a further rise until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, it's important to keep an eye on the stock as volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be closely watched. Today, let's explore some interesting signals that can help you in your trading decisions. First up, we have the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots indicator, which gave a buy signal 26 days ago. The Bollinger Bands also provided a buy signal 97 days ago. In terms of short-term moving averages, there was a buy signal 16 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 27 days ago. When we look at the relationship between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 38 days ago. Taking a broader view, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 27 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 44 days ago. If you're hungry for more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Super Micro Computer. Super Micro Computer is currently finding support from accumulated volume at $681.59. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. It's important to note that this stock exhibits high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, classifying this stock as very high risk. In the past day, the stock has seen a price range of $47.91, or 7.19%. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 8.79%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Super Micro Computer, let's take a moment to cover some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a key measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate high growth rates in the future. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for May 07, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $5.62. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for Super Micro Computer. Currently, there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating the stock has the potential to move upward quickly under favorable conditions. This presents an opportunity for entering a position and using volume as an indicator for determining the ideal exit point. On the downside, Super Microcomputer has its first support level at $681.59. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Super Microcomputer has an average buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On February 5, 2024, KAO George purchased 4,200 shares of common stock. On February 5, 2024, KAO George sold 1,608 shares of common stock. On February 5, 2024, KAO George sold 4,200 shares of employee stock option, right to buy. On February 1, 2024, Fairfax Daniel W. sold 300 shares of common stock. On February 1, 2024, Chan Shu Liang purchased 2,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find a positive insider power ratio of 29.073. Overall, insiders have bought 515,263 shares and sold 258,867 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $680.27, which is a decrease of 2.54%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. The RSI 14 indicator is currently at 98, further increasing the risk involved. However, it's worth noting that there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 25 days ago. Is Super Microcomputer stock a good buy? While Super Microcomputer holds several positive signals, we believe it may not be enough to consider it a strong buy candidate. It would be more appropriate to hold or accumulate this position until further developments occur. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, February 9th, we anticipate Super Microcomputer to open down by $4.98 and commence trading at $693.02. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. So, always consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious to know what your target for the stock is. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.